Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up and gathering what Windows needs. Make a verified time machine or external drive backup so you can recover files. Once done, download the official Windows ISO and get boot camp drivers or prepare a UEFI USB installer. Make sure your Mac has at least 64 GB free, is on AC power, and you know firmware passwords. These steps remove surprises and let you proceed straight into partitioning and installation with confidence. Now you partition and boot into the Windows installer. If available, use Boot Camp Assistant to create and size the Windows partition, and it will reboot into the installer. Otherwise, boot from your USB installer via Option key and choose EFI boot. During setup, format the new partition as NTFS, then continue with installation. After Windows installs, immediately run Boot Camp or the vendor drivers to install chipset, Wi-Fi, and graphics drivers so hardware functions correctly and system updates apply cleanly. Finish by updating Windows and confirming all drivers installed. You run Windows Update, open Device Manager, and resolve any unknown devices, install antivirus and file sync tools, and then add Apple drivers to get keyboard, trackpad, and boot features working. Make sure system restores and backups are configured. If you encounter boot issues, reset NVRAM or SMC, check Startup Security Utility for allowed boot sources, and reinstall Boot Camp drivers or repeat the USB creation step. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.